Your garage has a mechanic in a can sitting on the shelf, but if you're only using it for squeaky door hinges, you are missing out on its true power. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on how a simple can of WD-40 can prevent catastrophic engine failure and save you from the mechanic's tax. Most people use it wrong, but I'm going to show you the shop-proven techniques to dry a flooded ignition, stop terminal rot, and free bolts that feel welded shut. Stick around because I'm also revealing the no-go zones, places where this spray will actually ruin your brakes or sensors. Let's keep your money in your pocket and your car on the road. Number 19, dry out a wet ignition. You turn the key after a heavy storm or a car wash and all you get is a pathetic stumble. Most drivers panic and call a tow truck, thinking the computer is fried. Usually it's just physics. Moisture has created a bridge on your ignition coils or spark plug boots, causing the electricity to arc to the engine block instead of firing the cylinder. Grab your WD-40, which literally stands for water displacement 40th formula. Pop those plastic engine covers and spray the ignition lead ends and coil packs. The formula chemically chases the water out of the tightest gaps. Give it 60 seconds to work its magic and that dead engine will roar to life. If you live in a high humidity area, doing this once a season is the cheapest insurance against a Monday morning no start. Number 18, free frozen locks and latches. There is nothing quite as frustrating as being locked out of your own car on a sub-zero morning. When moisture gets inside your lock cylinder and freezes, it creates a mechanical bond stronger than your key. Whatever you do, do not pour boiling water on it, you'll just shatter your glass or create a bigger ice block 10 minutes later. Instead, use the straw attachment to spray WD-40 directly into the keyway and around the door latch assembly. It doesn't just melt the ice, it surrounds the moisture so it can't refreeze. Have you ever noticed your door handle feeling crunchy in the winter? That's the warning sign. Hit it with a shot of WD now, and follow up with a dedicated silicone spray to keep those rubber seals from bonding to the metal frame. Number 17, loosen rusted bolts and stuck spark plugs. Every mechanic has a horror story about a spark plug snapping off inside the cylinder head. That's a $2,000 disaster started by a $20 part. When steel bolts sit in aluminum heads or suspension arms, they undergo galvanic corrosion, essentially welding themselves together. If a bolt won't budge with a standard wrench, stop. Brute force is how you round off heads and snap grade 8 steel. Saturate the threads with WD-40 and walk away for 15 minutes. This gives the low-viscosity oils time to creep into the microscopic gaps between the threads. Give the bolt head a few sharp taps with a hammer to shock the rust, then try again. You'll be amazed at how a frozen bolt suddenly turns like it was installed yesterday. Number 16, prevent rust on exposed metal. Rust is like a cancer for your car. Once it starts, it's nearly impossible to stop without a grinder. It thrives on the unprotected three: moisture, oxygen, and road salt. If you've recently done work and scraped the paint off a subframe, or if you see bare metal on your hitch receiver, you are at risk. Apply a light, even coat of WD-40 to any exposed metal under the chassis. It creates a hydrophobic barrier that forces water to bead off rather than soak in. I personally use this on my suspension adjustment threads and emergency brake cables. It keeps the metal fresh and prevents that orange crust from claiming your undercarriage. Number 15, protect electrical connectors. Modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, and those computers communicate through tiny metal pins. Over time, road salt and green crust oxidation build up inside your headlight or sensor plugs, leading to ghost warning lights on your dash. The next time you're changing a bulb or checking a sensor, give the plug a quick shot of WD-40 before clicking it back together. It displaces any trapped salt water and prevents oxygen from hitting the metal pins. Is your trailer hitch plug acting finicky? This is the permanent fix. For high voltage areas, I like to follow up with dielectric grease, but for general corrosion proofing, the spray is your best friend. Number 14, restore cloudy headlights, temporary fix. Cloudy, yellow headlights aren't just ugly, they can cut your night vision by up to 70%. That fog is actually UV damage to the outer plastic. While a full restoration kit is the long-term answer, what do you do if you're heading out for a night drive and can't see the road? Clean the lens, spray a microfiber cloth with WD-40 and wipe the headlight. The oils fill in the microscopic pits in the plastic, instantly turning that yellow haze clear. It's like magic. Just remember, this is a temporary visual fix. The oils will evaporate in a few days, but for a quick safety boost before a long trip, it's a lifesaver. Number 13, remove tree sap, tar, and stubborn grime. Tree sap is the ultimate paint killer. If it bakes in the sun, it hardens into a rock that can literally pull the clear coat off your car if you try to scrape it. road tar from summer paving is just as bad. Don't reach for a scouring pad, spray the spot with WD-40 and let it dwell for 60 seconds. You will actually see the tar begin to melt and run down the panel. The solvent safely dissolves the organic bonds of the sap without harming your wax or clear coat. Wipe it away with a clean cloth and follow up with a quick soap and water wash. Your paint will feel like glass again. Number 12, remove old stickers and adhesive. We've all been there, peeling off an old bumper sticker only to be left with a gray, sticky rectangle of glue that attracts every piece of dirt on the road. Scrubbing it usually just results in swirl marks in your paint. The secret is to soak the sticker's edges with WD-40. The oil penetrates the adhesive backing, turning the glue into a soft gel. After a minute, you can usually slide the residue right off with your thumb or a plastic card. This works wonders for dealer decals on the trunk or those annoying registration stickers on the corner of your windshield. Number 11, clean rusty license plate screws and edges. Have you ever noticed those ugly orange streaks running down a license plate? That's caused by cheap, non-plated screws rusting out. If those screws seize, you'll end up having to drill them out of your trunk lid, a massive headache for such a small part. Back the screws out halfway, soak them in WD-40 and use an old toothbrush to scrub the threads and the plate's edge. It removes the surface oxidation and stops the bleeding onto your paint before you tighten them back down. Coat the threads in WD-40 to ensure they never seize again. It's a 2-minute detail that makes the whole car look 5 years newer. Number 10, stop squeaky door hinges. A squeaky door isn't just annoying, it's a cry for help. That noise is the sound of metal-on-metal friction wearing down the door check and hinge pins. If ignored, the hinge will eventually sag, making the door hard to close. Don't just spray the outside. Open the door wide and target the pivot points and the stay bar. Swing the door back and forth 10 times to migrate the lubricant into the center of the hinge. The WD-40 will also flush out the road grit that acts like sandpaper inside the joint. Do you have a squeaky hood or trunk? Use the same logic there. Number 9, keep fuel door hinges and latches moving. The worst time to find out your fuel door is stuck is when you're on E at a gas station in the rain. These latches are constantly exposed to road spray and dirt, which causes the spring-loaded pin to seize in the closed position. Open your fuel door and look at the small plastic or metal plunger. Give it a quick blast of WD-40 and work it in and out with your finger. This keeps the mechanism snappy and prevents the cable from snapping when you pull the release lever inside the cabin. It's a tiny maintenance item that prevents a huge inconvenience. Number 8, lubricate window tracks. If your power windows are moving slowly or making a groaning sound, your motor is struggling. Most people think the motor is dying, but usually it's just the rubber tracks. They get dry and grabby, creating massive resistance. Roll the window down and lightly treat the vertical rubber channels. Warning, use a light touch here, you don't want to soak the felt. The WD-40 reduces friction, allowing the glass to glide. This takes the load off your expensive window regulator and motor, potentially extending their life by years. Number 7, condition wiper blades. Wiper chatter is enough to drive anyone crazy. Usually it happens because the rubber has become stiff and oxidized from UV exposure. Before you go spend $50 on a new set of Bosch icons, try this. Put some WD-40 on a paper towel and run it firmly down the edge of the wiper blade. You'll see a thick layer of black oxidation come off onto the towel. This deep cleans the rubber and restores its flexibility. After you're done, wipe the blade once more with a clean, dry cloth so you don't smear the windshield. You'll get a silent, streak-free wipe for a fraction of the cost of new blades. Number 6, clean and shine dashboard plastics. Standard armor-style protectants often leave a greasy, blinding glare on the windshield. WD-40, when used correctly, can actually restore the deep color of faded interior plastics without that oil-slick look. The trick is to never spray it directly on the dash. Spray it on a cloth first, then wipe. It lifts embedded dust and leaves a matte, anti-static finish that actually helps repel future dust. It's particularly great for those textured plastic door sills that always get scuffed by shoes. Number 5, remove crayon, gum, or sticky residue inside. If you have kids, you've probably dealt with a melted crayon emergency on the upholstery. Because crayons are wax-based and gum is an adhesive, water-based, cleaners won't touch them. A Apply a small amount of WD-40 to the mess. It breaks down the wax and the polymers in the gum, allowing you to lift it off the fabric without tearing the fibers. Just be sure to blot the area afterward with a little dish soap and water to remove the oil. It's the ultimate dad hack for keeping a clean interior. Number 4, protect rubber weather seals. The rubber seals around your doors and trunk keep the wind noise out and the dry air in. Over time, they dry out and crack, leading to those annoying whistling sounds at highway speeds. Once a season, wipe these seals down with a cloth dampened with WD-40. It keeps the rubber supple and prevents it from sticking to the metal frame, which is exactly how seals get torn in the winter. Think of it as lotion for your car's rubber parts. Number 3, stop battery terminal corrosion. That white acid fluff on your battery terminals is a silent killer. It creates high resistance, which makes your alternator work harder and your starter motor run hotter. If you see it, your battery is literally choking. Clean the terminals with a wire brush, then spray them with WD-40. The oil creates a seal that prevents the acidic vapors from reacting with the metal terminals. It's a 30-second fix that can save you from a dead battery call in the middle of winter. Number 2, shield undercarriage components. If you live in the Salt Belt, your car's subframe is under constant attack. Every time it rains, salt water gets trapped in the nooks and crannies of your suspension. During your next oil change, take a moment to spray the WD-40 on your control arm bolts, sway bar links, and any metal brackets. It displaces the trapped brine and adds a layer of protection. It's not a permanent undercoating, but for the DIYer, it's the best way to ensure your car doesn't turn into a rust bucket. Number 1, emergency flood restart. This is the big one. If you've ever driven through a deep puddle and the engine suddenly died, you know that heart-sinking feeling. Usually the engine hasn't hydrolocked it, just that the water has shorted out the entire ignition system. Do not keep cranking the starter, you'll just burn it out. Instead, get out, open the hood, and douse the spark plug wires and the coils in WD-40. This forces the water out of the electrical paths instantly. Most of the time, the car will fire right up on the next try. It's a trick that has saved me countless tow bills over the last 19 years. WD-40 is a powerful tool, but knowing how to use it is what separates the pros from the amateurs. If this helped you save a few bucks, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. We're all about keeping your car running forever without breaking the bank. Do you have a secret use for WD-40 that I missed? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one.